10 brand new AI tools I am in love with, and I think you will be too. Alright, let's jump into tool number 1. It's image to caption. So with the help of AI, what this tool does is it read any of your image and then creates caption for those. If you post up on social media, let's say on Instagram, it will create captions for you. So I am gonna use this picture. This is amazing, and it going to create captions, and not just captions, it's also going to create some that exactly see how cool this tool. Now what's in my picture? So image to caption.ai, I have links below of all of these tools used to it to generate captions for your picture for social media. Alright, before we jump into tool number 2, you know what to do: like and share this video so more people can see this. One of my favorite tools, Unfake PNG. It's going to remove these boxes. So let me bring that image. I am going to drag and drop here and then start background remover, and it will unfake that image. So in a second you will notice of the boxes from behind of the pictures will be completely gone, and boom, here you go. In few seconds you will see the same picture with the boxes removed. So cool. Alright, tool number 3, AI tool number 3. By the way, all of these are absolutely free. So postfluencer.app, but this AI tool generates your LinkedIn post with the help of AI. So for example, let's say I want to create a post about how to gain TikTok followers. Now what the framework? This is magic. You can use Hero Journey framework, you can use Story, you can keep it simple. So there are different frameworks that you can select for your post. So I am gonna go with different, and then what type of do you want to create a post, or you want to create paragraph, totally up to you. And then click to generate, and then you will notice it will start creating that post for you. Look at this. So I know it's safe for LinkedIn, but guess what? And you guessed it, you can use this on all of your social media platforms. The AI will create posts for you. You don't have to do any work. Let's jump into the 4th website. But there are some amazing free tools that you can use right here. So for example, you can use tool to generate keywords, and then tools to generate titles. So let's try the keyword tool. First, let's say I am writing my topic in how to grow on TikTok. Just select that and hit go, and it will give you SEO keywords that you can use in your blog. Here you go. So here are different keywords, and look at this, the volume and also the difficulty. It's going to be easy or very difficult to rank for these keywords. How to grow on TikTok. This is high volume and low rank difficulty, so you can try these keywords. And those, now let's text to other. By the way, there are other tools here that you can play with it. I like the keyword tool, and I am also like the title generator. Just enter your blog or video. Let's jump to tool number 5. And by the way, this is a chatbot, AI chatbot from Anthropic Cloud AI. Now this chatbot is actually really giving ChatGPT and Google Bard a huge headache, because this is awesome. I am going to show you a couple of different things. Just awesome. Alright, let's jump to tool number 6. It's Spexon.ai. But you probably have seen a lot of image background remover tools, but this is really fast. Another tool thing is it can do face sticker. So let's drag and drop an image here. I am gonna, let's see, I am gone find something a busy background. So yeah, let's use this. So see how busy the background is, and you will see how fast it's gonna in the seconds.